Okay guys, it rained in Southern California. We just had a thunderstorm. The door is pretty soaked right now. It's had a little bit of chance to dry, but can't pass up the opportunity to get this car muddy. So this car is going to get muddied for the very first time. I have outdoor lights set up right here so you can get a better visual of the car other than what you see in the video shots before. At night it's very hard to see the vehicle, so at least you'll be able to see the vehicle go through a couple obstacles here. So this will just be a very short video of that aspect. Here we go. So as you can see, the car has its mods on. Once again, I have the Trio 1.9B locks in blue. I have the Proline trenchers. These are the G8 compound. I am running donut hair buns inside them for foam, and it's got the Trio 6mm brass extensions, and I have Desert Lizard, Racing Desert Lizard internal dual stage shocks, 60 weight oil, and the most recent thing I just added a little cargo net right here. That was from the trailer of the that had the little ATV on there. Okay, so here we go. Let me get over here, away from the light. This zigzag section is one of my favorite areas to watch, just because you can kind of see your flex of your vehicle and just watch your shocks and work right here. All right. Sorry, it was in two-wheel drive, not four-wheel drive. There we go. There's mud on the tires, so I just have to let them slick down a little bit. There we go. And then we're going to go around and then come over here. Sorry, see, it's that two-wheel drive bullshit again. Yeah, I'm gonna get this bound over to the DX5 Rugged, where it's programmed, or I can have the ability to program it, where it's button release, button engage. I don't like this holding bullshit, because you have to put gears in the right position. It doesn't lock in place. Alright, so I'm just going to bring the car over this rock slide and back around, and then I'm going to go up the steps over here real quick, and that's pretty much it for this run. I've already went around the course without the camera run earlier. Okay, I'm just going to bring it around here, and then I'm just going to go up these stairs real quick. And then we're good to go. Let me just get around over here and get a close up of this. The trenchers just go straight up. Alright. And that's it for now. I'm not going to break the gear. I'm not going to break anything. Yeah, quick little night run with the floor still wet. I'm getting the Ford Bronco muddied up for the first time. So that's kind of fun. Alright guys, more to come.